Lumpiang gulay na walang toge, pwede naman itong kailangan mo. Enoki mushroom, green onion, carrot, Bangkok beans, char sweet pea, cabbage, and garlic. Gigisa lang natin yan lahat, besh. And then, maglalagay tayo ng seasoning, soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, mushroom or oyster sauce, depende sa'yo. Kapag feeling mo overcook na, pwede na tayong magbalot. Medyo maliit lang yung pambalot ko, so cute size lang ang ating lumpia. But it's okay. After nating magbalot, pwede na tayong mag-deep fry until it's masunog like this. At syempre, what's lumpia without the sausawan? So, itong kailangan natin. May leftover akong cucumber, pwede pa yan. So, chop lang natin yan. Mag-chop na rin tayo ng sili para medyo maanghang. And then, itong ating pickled shallots, ang tawag sa amin is artem. Paminta at yung suka ng ating artem. Ayan, pwede na nating i-enjoy ang ating lumpiang gulay without the toge. Sobrang sarap niya talaga at medyo naparami yung kain ko kagabi. Kaya subukan mo na rin tong recipe na to. Promise hindi ka magsisisi. O sige na, bye!